guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the October 2018 Boxy Charm. So this is one of those monthly subscriptions. It's $21 for 4 to 5 full-size products. And they give you hints throughout the month leading up to your Boxy Charm being shipped. And I've seen a couple hints. I've seen some interesting things in here. So I'm excited to find out what exactly I have in my Boxy Charm. So when you open it up, it has a pamphlet that tells you what this month's theme is. And this month's theme is alter ego. So it gives you some information on the different products that are in your Boxy Charm. I'll tell you that I did use the products that are in my Boxy Charm to do this look today. And I'll give you my first impressions on those products because some of them I liked and some of them I wasn't so sure about, but they grew on me. Okay, so the first thing in this box is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. It comes in the color Bow and Arrow. It's what I'm wearing on my lips, but this is the actual color in the tube. It's kind of a, I don't know, it's a really brown nude. And I go more for the pink or mauve-y nudes. This just is not my favorite color. I do like Kat Von D products. I use her eyeliner all the time. I've never actually used one of her liquid lips, but I like it. It doesn't come off. So, I mean, that's a bonus, but it's just not my favorite color. All right, so the next thing in here is the Ahava Active Dead Sea Minerals Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. This I've tried before. I really like it. I keep it on my bedside table, so before I go to bed, I use this. I keep one in my locker at work. It's a really good hand cream. This retails for $10. And it says, treat your hands to a light but luxurious rich hand cream that helps keep skin and cuticles healthy and protected from the elements. Formulated for daily use, this hand cream is made with nutrient-rich Dead Sea water and smoothing witch hazel to elevate and lock in skin's natural moisture. So this will be great, especially for winter if you're in the northern states where it gets super cold. I would keep this in your purse, but I do like this, so I'm glad I got this in this box. The next item in here is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So it says 96% said lashes look stretched, 96% saw dramatic volume and length, 96% saw plumper looking lashes, and 100% saw a fuller lash line. This retails for $24, and I will actually tell you, I'm wearing it right now. I usually wear eyeliner, and I did my waterline, and I went to go in and do my eyeliner, and I forgot to do it. I went straight into mascara. And then I was looking later and I was like, am I wearing eyeliner? No, I'm not wearing eyeliner on my lid. I'm only wearing mascara. I actually like this mascara. It has an interesting shape to the bottle, but I will tell you that, see, I'm not wearing any eyeliner on the top line. And usually I can't go without it, but with eyeliner just in the waterline and this mascara, I actually like the no eyeliner look on the top lid, but usually I need to have it. So I'll keep using this. First impressions right out the door, I really like this mascara. Next in the box we had the Briogio Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So this says the super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides repair benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro encapsulated argan oil and optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin helps promote healthier hair that will leave you feeling your very best. And that actually retails at $16. So the last item in this box is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. It has 6 eyeshadows and 4 blushes. This retails for $38. So when you open it up, it has the 6 eyeshadows on this side. It has the 4 blushes on this side. Okay, so I was not in love with this face palette to start out with. I was really annoyed because there's not really a setting shade or a transition shade. It just goes straight into this dark brown color. And I was like, what am I going to do with this? Usually I'll set my eye primer with a lighter shade, which I did do. I went into a different eyeshadow palette and I set my eyeshadow primer. But then I wasn't looking to use that dark brown color in the crease and all over the eye. So I went in very lightly with my eyeshadow brush. And you're going to see that in the tutorial because I did do a tutorial with the eyeshadow, the lip, and the mascara. But I went in very lightly with the brown eyeshadow. I built it up in the crease, and then I started in the corner, just kind of making it darker. Then I went in with this blue shade, very pretty color, and it covered the brown a little bit. Like I said, it's very buildable. Now with this light blue silver color right here, I did use a brush to begin with, and it went on. It was okay. It was very light, very minimal. But then I used my finger, and that color just, it gave it a really good sheen. It just gave it that shimmer that I wanted from it. Now for the blushes, I actually use this color right here as my highlighter, and I use this color right here for my face. It is a very peachy pink color on the face, but this shimmery color was great as a highlighter. It's what I have on my nose, which you cannot miss my nose right now. And very subtle sheen on the cheek, but I would say this is 3 blushes and 1 highlighter. 3 blushes, 1 highlighter. That is what I will say is in this palette right here. Overall, am I in love with this palette? No, because I went into a different eyeshadow palette to just kind of set everything. Would it be great with other eyeshadow palettes? Yes. It did blend out, so I did up here use a brush with no color on it, period, and I just kind of blended it out to give you that soft brown in the top. That I will say, they do blend out very well. They are super buildable. They are buttery, just like it says, especially when I use this light blue shade on my finger. There is a lot of fallout. I'd already put my setting powder on my concealer, thankfully. So when I took a clean brush and just swiped it away, it disappeared. I don't have any sparkles or anything on my under eye right now. But is it a palette that I could get away with on travels and just grab and go and that's it? No. No. But it is a really nice eyeshadow palette. The colors are really pretty. They are super smooth and super buildable and blendable. They blend out beautifully. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below. Make sure to hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos, which I post Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And then if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this video. And until next time, bye.